and here it is, the package. So as you can see, it's Philips brand and it's sneaker cleaner. It's working. Hello everybody, welcome in this video. So today's video, as you know, I have this Stan Smith. This is the brand from Adidas. This edition is quite good, and I have this sneaker since 2 years. So look at the condition. I mean, it's getting worse and worse. But yeah, it's very common with the white shoes, and you know, to clean it is a bit difficult. But anyway, let's try to clean it. And for today's video I'm trying to use Philips sneaker cleaner. I just bought it from Amazon, and here it is, the package. So as you can see, it's Philips brand and it's sneaker cleaner. So will it make the work for this Stan Smith Adidas? Will it be helpful? That's the question that we will figure out in this video. Is it, this thing is useful or not? Let's check it out. So here it is, the device, and as I said, I get it from Amazon. Yeah, hope it's not that kind of product that you buy and have to figure out that it's not that helpful. And yeah, you have here the batteries. Okay, here it has some battery over here. It used like four batteries. Okay, now I close it, and you just here you have the start button. You press on it, and here we go. It's working. And as you can see here, I have different ones here as well, so I can use different ones. I can use it with some water. Can put some water in it and start cleaning. So I will start with this hard one and see if we can get some result. So I put it inside. I will dip some water here. As you can see, I put some water. Okay, and let's start. So first thing, before starting, I want to remove all this. I want to remove these things, because for real I need to wash them, because they look really shit, they look really bad. As you can see here, I will remove all this and wash them, that's for sure. I work with this like the fields, and yeah, so that it reached that very bad condition. Alright, let's start. So as I told you, I put some water in here, and yeah, let's do it. So as you can see, I'm trying to clean this way. Yeah, it seems. Is it working? Seems like turning in without any result. Let's put some water. Okay, let's start with this the bottom part. Yeah, that's not the good one. Wait. Yeah, the sponge is clean, but as I said, it's not. I mean, it does not make sense to buy all this machine for instead of using the. Please write me in the comment if you think if we. I mean, if you think it's better than the cleaning with the cloth. Let's see. Still, like, it's not absorbing all the dust. Let's put some water. Yeah, acceptable condition. Let's compare to the other one I didn't clean yet. Look how dirty it is. Okay, let's show it from that side. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like the review of the Philips sneaker cleaner it could be helpful for Stan Smith edition of Adidas, then yeah, why not? Maybe you can try it too. Alright guys, write in the comment down if you gonna buy this thing, the Philips sneaker cleaner, and also what happened with your Stan Smith Adidas. Is it in the same condition as mine after 2 years of use? And yeah, hit the thumbs up, write some comment to show that you are here, and let's catch up again.